It's that time again. Here we are at the opening fixture of the Academy Division. Which way will this game go?
Welcome to Dream League Soccer. First, let's run. Use the control stick to move your player around. This is the low kick button. This is the hard kick button. This is the lofted kick button. Use it when in possession. Swipe on the right when the ball is in the air. Double. Now we've been through the controls. Let's get into the match. That's good link-up play. Good ball. He must score, surely. The keeper collects that one. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the control. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. And with the defender now. Confident pass. He's found an opening. Back off the post. Tries the header. And that was a bullet header there. No chance for the keeper. Really well taken. Here's how they did it. They're kicking off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match, though? Played in field. Well timed then. Great defending. He slid for the ball, but missed. That's nicely played. Jesus. Good distribution. Really well played. Passed well. Oh, determined challenge there. Good distribution. Tries a long shot. It's the upright. And that's good work by the defence. Just offside. At the striker's feet. Did he get a shot? Inches away from goal. Let's look at this attempt again. No wonder the players thought it was going in. Launched upfield by the keeper. Jesus. He loves to go past. That's a rash challenge there. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. Goalkeeper's ball, well taken. Good distribution from the keeper there. And we're into stoppage time now. The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time. This league game gets back underway. It's with the striker now. Good clean challenge. Finds his teammate. The striker picks it up. Oh, it's a clear chance. Goodness me, that was close. Let's see that one again. No cards yet from the referee. And out for the throw-in.